You're supposed to let it... Here, let me see that. Ooh, you like that, huh?
Wow.
Wow.
What a totally awesome toy. Totally awesome.
Is that him whistling or you?
Yeah, of course. He's the whistler in the family, not me.
You know I'm recording all that, right?
Yeah.
Hi, Austin. Did you see this? Your BFF gave that to you. Did you see that? Look.
Wow.
Wow.
Is that from Emily? Your Valentine?
Wow. Your first Valentine's Day card. Wow. Look at all of them. Wow. And those are some mommy's birthday cards too. Ooh, ooh. Can I see? Oh. Say bye. Say bye. Austin.
Austin. Say
Austin.
bye.
Say bye.
Austin.
See? There you go. Bye bye. Say bye.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Happy Valentine's Day.